register for my Erie competition. I am so excited, but it's really big. But the most important part is to have fun. So you can see that there is no snow outside. But tonight, maybe 1 or 12 a.m., there will be a winter wonderland. Today, it's my competition day. So I am getting ready with some makeup. Putting on is some blush. And then you swirl around and then you swipe it up. And then dip it in a little bit more. And swirl it around and then swipe it up. And then the second thing I'm gonna do is eyeshadow. Then we're gonna put some mascara on. And I already got my hair done. So I'm gonna try to pick out the color. Alright, so which color do you think I should do? I really want to go for a light color, like a natural color. Alright, so first I'm gonna put my light mascara. Eyeshadow, not mascara. This is mascara. Okay. Don't worry, I'm not a professional, but I know how to do this. That look good? Beautiful. Alright, let's do the other eye. And ta-da! It is snowing outside. It's a snow apocalypse outside. This is so crazy. Well, you better stay in your homes because it's a snow apocalypse outside.
You ready for the competition?
Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna say yes to everything today. Woo! And now I just chillax. No, what am I chillaxing for? It's competition day.